Jello, welcome back. It's actually only been about 5 minutes since my first tutorial, but you know, let's keep talking. So this is going to be about basic grouping. So grouping is one of the most important things with TinkerCAD, and that's just combining shapes together. So I have all these shapes: box, cylinder, sphere, cone, whatever. And if I click and I drag, they come out here. And if I grab these boxes, I can change the dimensions. It's usually good to type in the dimensions rather than just going by feel. It might look round, but it actually could be off by a little bit. And it's always good to know exactly what the size of the things you're working are. And I talked about aligning them. So if I align them and I move them wherever, let's say into the middle, and then I select them both, and I go back here where the align tool is. To the left, there's the group tool. And it's exactly what you might think it is. Now, instead of being one part, now they are one part instead of being two parts. We can go further. We can also take material away. If I were to take this box, click on the arrow so that I move things up, and once again align them, you can see the part of the cone and the square, if it were, that is overlapped by my whole box. So if I click both shapes and I hit group, boom, I just cut a chunk out. And this is actually a bug with TinkerCAD, because if I hit Control Z and go back, you can see that where the object is shimmering, it's shining over here. That means that they're perfectly touching. And so it would make sense that after you grouped them, you wouldn't see this line here. And this line doesn't actually do anything. It just kind of shows you that there was something that cut an object out there. But personally, I don't like it. Though if you export it generally to your 3D printing slicing software, won't really notice. But, what can you do?